Hello, this is Flat Park Film. Today, I would like to send you a video from a surf point called Suicide in Okinawa. Suicide. Well, guys, I think you know, at a famous surf point in Okinawa, it has become a prime surf point where numerous surfers flock. Not yet. It's Okinawa where warm days continue. Many avid surfers have gathered. I thoroughly enjoy the art of surfing. Today is Okinawa, including information. I would like to narrate. I believe everyone is aware that Okinawa is situated at the southernmost point of Japan. Beautiful sea and abundant nature. With its own culture, tourists too. A large number of you are arriving here. Seraphins, Mecca and known as Mecca. It's an area in Okinawa, especially with its unique wave quality and attractive tourist resources. Numerous surfers from Japan and other countries. Tourist people, you're coming. Even within Okinawa, suicide rates in the Okinawa surf scene, one, radiate a unique culture. As a place, is also known by Okinawans. It's a place. The second year is, it is located on the Chinen Peninsula in the southern part of the main island of Okinawa. Especially characterized by reef breaks, it has become a surf point. So what is a reef break? Coral or something? Stones and so on. Hit me, come. Leaf about the waves. So, the waves collide. That surf point is the reef break. So, interestingly enough, well is a word commonly used by everyone. Suicide is marked by extremely powerful waves. The suicide itself here, for intermediate to advanced players. Especially, it's hard to read waves. Taking into account the effects of the tide, surfing. Need to enjoy, there is. This is the rock I mentioned earlier, leaf. There's also a risk of riding beef. Skills? Attention, it's where you need it. The term suicide is derived from its origin. This suicide, call me suicidal. A little, that negative image too. That, hold me. It's a place, isn't it? This one, the suicidal nature of suicide is, it is famous for being a place where mass suicide was committed. That's why this place was named. That's what I mean. The waves are high. A very powerful wave is coming. Especially from the northeast. Wind blows. In timing, maintain optimal condition. It will be a surf point.
Number.
Age and surrounding environment. To enjoy activities other than surfing, it's the perfect place. Memorial Peninsula. Here, suicide. The location is Chinen Peninsula. Chinen Peninsula itself. Rich. There's a lot of nature. Visitors each time. The sea boasts a beautiful emerald green hue. Moreover, the majestic sea. The view is also the best. So, Chinen Peninsula. The renowned Cape Chinen. There's something known as Cape Chinen, the Sea of Okinawa. Those islands have a panoramic view of, as a renowned tourist destination, it attracts many visitors. You're coming. Therefore, a cat is nearby. That ground, visible from the peninsula. There is a place called Takashima in the ward, but here too. Famous. In a place that is considered a sacred place in ancient Okinawa, the significant religious locations during the era of the Ryukyu Kingdom, the ceremony. It is famous as the place where it took place. So this Takashima, this island too, with its nature and quiet atmosphere, there is an abundance of unspoiled nature. to visitors. Peace of mind. It's a location where one can genuinely feel the rich history. Okinawa as a whole. Besides surfing, as you all know, there are many activities and there are tourist attractions. There are many. For example, snorkeling, diving. There are also Sea of Okinawa, made use of unique transparency. At sea, as a leisure activity, it has truly become a widely popular activity. Okinawa, world, not only Japan, but one of the world's leading coral. It's also that habitat. There's a lot of variety because you can see marine life after surfing, beauty while relaxing in the deep sea. Exploring is also one of the recommendations. In Okinawa, there are various things. Coral. Gane. Currently, the entire island, it's surrounded by that sea. It's spreading out. Combine snorkeling and diving. I believe it's a fantastic idea to give it a shot. The charm of Okinawa is its nature, not just surfing. Okinawa is unique because it has a culture, Ryukyu Kingdom. I believe everyone is aware that it has been going on since the Ryukyu Kingdom era. Peculiar, due to long-standing customs and traditions, among them, meal, and so on. Culture, and so on. I genuinely believe this is one of the key factors that draws people to Okinawa. Locally sourced, fresh. Seafood and pork are dreams, right? Pork too. As a representative of Okinawan cuisine, for tourists, standing on a board, hugely popular. It has become a dish. Moreover, it's not just the surfing scene. A view to visit in search of nature and culture. Even for light guests, ideal as one of the travel destinations. Known, it's a repair shop, Ryukyu village, etc. In that history, I can't go back in time. History of Okinawa. Experience culture. Tourist facilities. It is truly fulfilling. Island culture and learn history. There are many places where you can do that. I just told you something. Well, among them, that defensive castle, Ryukyu Kingdom period. There are a lot of cultural heritage sites, so I think it would be nice to see them and walk around them. Masu, unique to Okinawa. I think it's often done on TV. Of the people of Okinawa, well, humanity is also a notable feature. It's just one aspect, in my opinion. When traveling to Okinawa, distinctive. Culture and food, and immerse yourself in history. For sightseeing, and if you decide to surf, you'll find numerous great surf spots. At a surf shop in Okinawa, please reach out to the local surf shop. There are comprehensive guides and surf guides available from Okinawa. In my opinion, the most secure option would be to get in touch with such a guide. The main consideration of this particular suicide, after all, the road depends on that specification of the road. A dangerous situation after all. Well, occasionally it can be perilous if you pull it. That kind of thing, like local guides. To the surf shop, if you ask, it's safe after all. I believe I can enjoy a truly delightful surfing experience. So, the cat suicide point? It's a point for advanced people. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many good ones in it, so when you visit as a tourist or a visitor, be careful of local people. I honestly believe it would be wonderful to have a surfing experience. Okinawa, nature and all, the culture and food here are mesmerizingly attractive places. That's all. In any case, when you visit, all that, embrace the experience wholeheartedly. Thank you very much.